Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV. Today, we're making a show-stopping Chinese-style whole fried chicken at home. Imagine a chicken that's incredibly juicy on the inside, with skin so crispy it crackles with every bite. We'll infuse it with the wonderful aromas of scallions, ginger, and lemongrass, and show you the secret steam then fry technique that restaurants use to get that perfect texture. Let's turn your kitchen into a Cantonese-style feast. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, 3 to 4 pounds, cleaned and patted dry. Aromatics, for stuffing, 2 scallions. 2 inches of sliced ginger. 1 stalk of lemongrass. Marinade rub. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon vinegar. 1 teaspoon 5 spice powder. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon salt. Cooking oil for deep frying. Procedure: rub the chicken inside and out with the marinade mixture: soy sauce, vinegar, 5 spice, sugar and salt. Stuff the cavity with scallions, ginger, and lemongrass. Let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or overnight for deeper flavor. Prepare a steamer and bring water to a boil. Place the chicken on a heat-proof plate or directly on the steamer rack. Steam the chicken for 15 to 20 minutes. Note, the chicken does not need to be 100% cooked through, as the frying will finish the process. Remove the chicken and pat the skin completely dry with paper towels. For the best results, let the chicken air dry on a rack in a cool area or refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Moisture on the skin is the enemy of crispiness. Heat oil in a large wok or deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Carefully lower the whole chicken into the oil. Fry for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning halfway, until the skin is dark golden and crispy. the chicken rest for 10 minutes before chopping it into bite-sized pieces with a heavy cleaver. Serve with a side of 5-spice salt, toasted salt and 5-spice powder, for dipping. And there you have it, a perfectly crispy, juicy Chinese-style whole fried chicken. Serve it with a sprinkle of 5-spice salt for that authentic flavor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Sangkap Sarap recipes.